All right, this is a fun little algebra problem where z is equal to 256. So we've got two terms with a z as a base. We got rational exponents, so we need to know some exponent rules. Let's simplify this out before we plug in the value of 256 and see what it looks like. So step one, I hate looking at a division symbol like that, so I'm just going to set this up as a fraction. I'm going to say z to the negative 3/4 divided by z to the negative 5/4. Okay, now exponent rules. When we are dividing bases that are the same, we need to subtract our exponents. So I'm just going to set this up showing the subtraction. This is z to the power of negative 3/4 minus negative 5/4. So I'm just taking this value here and I'm subtracting negative 5/4 from it. That is the exponent rule when we're dividing bases that are the same. Now subtracting a negative is really adding, so we're adding 5/4 to negative 3/4. If you add 5 to negative 3, you're going to end up with a 2. So now we've got positive 2/4 as our exponent. 2/4 is no different than 1/2, so I'm just going to simplify that 2/4 to 1/2. And now we need to know how to write this out. 1/2 as a fraction given as an exponent basically just means, remember, fractional exponents, okay, numerator goes inside the radical, denominator is going to go outside of it. So basically the 2 goes there, the base z goes there, and we put a 1 right here. Now we know that square root symbols, we don't need to show a 2. So because it's a 2 as a value, you can just erase that. That's a square root symbol right there. We never need to show an exponent of 1. Sometimes it's helpful just to know that it's there, but also doesn't need to be shown. So when we simplify all of this down, this really just comes out to the square root of z. Now we were told z is 256. So if I just replace that variable with a 256, if you're not sure what the square root of 256 is, use a calculator, but most of you know that that would be 16. And there's your final result. Hopefully this makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.